Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is Damaris Everyday. I am Damaris. Thank you so much for coming back. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining me. I really am happy that you're here. Tonight I am actually going to go over a palette that sorry, I just kind of shook the whole thing, but whatever. Makeup palette by Glamlite. Now, I showed you guys the pizza not too long ago, but now they have a burger out. And so the burger palette dropped, I think it was the 24th, and I had already pre-ordered mine, and I was just really blown back by this, because if you thought that the pizza was cute, this burger is freaking adorable. So this is the burger palette, and as you can see, it's a very nice size, just like the pizza palette. This is the back of the box. This is the box that it comes in. Okay, and so we're gonna open this up like the last time. So oh, how cool. So you know how you get your burgers in the caper at your favorite burger joint? I'm just gonna put this down right here. So here's the burger is actually inside of the paper, and as you can see, it's kind of like, you notice, hey, that's squishy. What's up with that? So you take the paper off, and this is like a vinyl, a vinyl type of material. You see the sesame seeds. This is burger palette, Glamlite. You know, it's got the leather type at the back as well. I mean, this is really a lot of thought went into this. Like, this is like you're holding just a big massive burger that, you know, you get the t-shirt with after you've finished the whole thing. So I think that this is just really cool. Great idea. Again, Glamlite. So we're gonna open it up, and I'm gonna try again to kind of quickly open it. Large mirror, as you can see. Large mirror. Okay, and the colors. This is a very vibrant palette. These colors are amazing. I think that this is just the coolest thing. So if you can see here, I kind of pulled this back so you can see it. So let's go over these colors, shall we? I mean, like, wow. So we have pickles, mustard, bacon, sweet potato fries, tomatoes, 1,000 I, and that's spelled E-Y-E, blend, caramelized onions, cheddar, blue cheese, avocado, red onions, onion rings, lettuce, spinach, ketchup, and down at the bottom is barbecue sauce. Of course, at the back it says warning, do not eat, which I think is cool. And also at the back of the box here, it shows you all of the colors. And in this one there are, is it 18 again? I don't know. I didn't count. 16 colors at the back of this. So, I mean, I can't wait to try this on. I'm happy that I have this. I just cannot wait to actually put this on. Another cool thing that when I ordered the burger palette, I also got fries with that. I got fries with that. These are Glamlite's fried lashes. And these are really cool. I had these on earlier because I couldn't wait. But let's see. Okay, so here are the lashes. Cute, right? They're very soft, very fluffy type lashes. And these are, let's see, cruelty free and vegan, so that's good. I always check the box. But this was really very kind of Glamlite. They actually sent this with my purchase of the burger palette. So thank you so much. Thank you. I cannot believe how excited I am to put this on. So I mean, let's just get started doing my face, shall we? It needs some, as you can see, needs something. Okay, so I kind of did this part or this eye already, but I'm gonna do some. I'm using this this NYX high definition concealer on my eyes this time, because the colors are really, they're very bright and very vibrant. I can't talk. And I just want to make sure that I'm able to actually see it. The scars on my face, by the way, everyone, I got into the fight with the world's biggest mosquito, and I've just been picking at the bite. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take this mustard color right here. Looks fun, right? No fallout. I don't know why there's like a piece of it hanging off. I'm going to go all the way up because I have very special inversed eyelids, so okay. All right, so next I'm gonna take, next I'm gonna take the sweet potato fries and put that on. I always blow. Anyway, I always blow on the brushes before I kind of get to work. Because everybody else's fallout, they pat it or what have you, which I guess that's fine. It's gonna do the same thing, but I always feel like blowing it is less harsh. Looks like something fell out of my nose. So the next color that I'm gonna take, I'm gonna actually do this tomatoes, this hot pink color. Now I'm gonna add some ketchup. Right. What I'm gonna do now is actually use some of the Thousand Island. Because it's island. Yeah. So I'm gonna use some of that. I'm gonna use Kat Von D's tattoo eyeliner. Foundation. I'm using my Fenty, blah blah blah. Okay, so the eyes are done. Not bad, right? Beautiful color, like I said, it's just really beautiful colors. I like the well, I got a little bit of mascara here, but I'm not worried about that because I'm about to put the eyelashes in. But it is beautiful color. Beautiful color around, like you can see the shimmer and how that kind of goes around, and so that's what I was really trying to do, and mission accomplished. So time for the eyelashes. Okay, and I think they're on there. I think this looks okay. So look, now I have a face. What do you guys think? Is it a winner? I hope so. I think that it looks very nice. I love these colors, man. These colors are really something. The whole look in itself is very, you know, explosive and intense. So thank you so much for joining me. This was a lot of fun. Again, you know, if you get a chance, use the burger palette. No? If you get a chance, use the burger palette, or get, you know, get this palette. It's really amazing. I love the neon colors mixed with all of the shimmer and everything. I'm pretty sure I'll try like a green look later on because I do like the kind of the colder colors too. But I have a thing for red eyeshadow, if you already don't know. So this is the burger palette, and these are, you know, and I'm also wearing the French fry, the Glam Fries eyelashes, which is really cool. So I really do hope that you guys enjoy this. I really enjoyed putting this look together this evening. Thank you so much for taking the time to view my channel, and thank you very much. Thank you so much for coming to my channel this evening. This has been Damaris Every Day. If you have not hit subscribe yet, hit subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment. I'm always available to talk. I love communicating with you guys. Everybody has just been super amazing. And this is the burger palette. The link is at the bottom. I don't know why I always forget to say that, but the link is at the bottom, and as well as all of the links for the products that I used this evening. So thank you so much for being with me this evening, and enjoy.